Are you torn between VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, and QEMU for your virtualization needs? Let's delve into the ultimate showdown of features, performance, and usability to help you choose the best fit for your project. What specific aspects are you most interested in comparing? So, hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how you can choose the best virtual machine. So, first of all, we have here four machines: QEMU, Hyper-V, VirtualBox, and we have VMware. So the first one, you have just to open your browser and dive into vmware.com, and also here we have virtualbox.org. We have also here learn.microsoft.com, and you write Hyper-V. Then we have QEMU.org, and you can just get started. So choosing the right virtualization platform that can be challenging, especially with options like VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, and QEMU on the table. Each offers unique features and capabilities catering to different needs, whether you are an enterprise user, a developer, or a hobbyist. In the comparison, in this comparison, we'll break down their strengths and weaknesses to help you find the perfect fit for your virtualization project. Let's dive in. So the first one we have here VMware.com. So as you can see, we have here various information like products. Here select the one you want and you know more information about it. We have here the smarter way to cloud. Our private cloud solution delivers the security and agility enterprises need, supported by technologies for applications, edge infrastructure, and provide EA. Then we have here also introducing VMware Cloud Foundation 9. Then we have Broadcom unveils the future of VMware Cloud Foundation, and we have also the business value of VMware Cloud Foundation. Then if we scroll down, we have also here cloud solutions for your business, app platform, cloud infrastructure, networking, security, software defined edge, and also trending topics like EBM and VMware help enterprises adopt generative EA. And we have also announcing general availability of VMware Private EA Foundation with NVIDIA. Then we have VMware Cloud Foundation total cost of ownership white paper. So also, we have sovereign clouds, new developer data and security services. So VMware is a leading virtualization platform that enables users to create and manage multiple virtual machines on a single physical server. Its benefits include enhanced resource utilization, improved scalability, and robust security features, making it ideal for enterprise environments. VMware's tools such as vSphere facilitate effective management of virtual resources, ensuring high availability and disaster recovery. Additionally, its seamless integration with cloud services allows organizations to adopt hybrid cloud strategies, optimizing its infrastructure while supporting innovation and agility. Then let's move on to the next one. We have VirtualBox. So this is here we have home, talent, documentation, and community. If you want to get started, you have just to download this and you click over here. We have firstly powerful open resource virtualization for personal and enterprise use. We have here VirtualBox is a general purpose full virtualization software for, as you can see, hardware, and we have which version additionally for macOS are targeted on laptop, desktop, server, and embedded use. We have here community. Become a part of the VirtualBox community, discuss and solve problems in the forums, access test builds, and more. Then we have documentation, training also, and we have it join the VirtualBox community. Here we have millions of users actively use VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a community effort backed by Oracle. Everyone is encouraged to contribute. Oracle helps ensure the product meets professional quality criteria and offers support resources for users. So VirtualBox is open source virtualization software developed by Oracle that allows users to run multiple operating systems on a single physical machine. Its key benefits include being cost-effective as it's free to use and offering broad compatibility with various host systems like Windows, macOS, and Linux. VirtualBox features an intuitive interface, snapshot capabilities for easy state restoration, and seamless integration with the host system, which enhances productivity with support for a wide range of guest operating systems and an active community for resources. VirtualBox is a versatile choice for developers and dish enthusiasts alike. Then we have the third one, which is Hyper-V. Having an introduction to Hyper-V on Windows, as you can see. So Hyper-V is a virtualization platform developed by Microsoft that allows users to create and manage virtual machines on Windows Server and Windows 10. Its benefits include tight integration with the Windows ecosystem, enabling seamless management through familiar tools like PowerShell and System Center. Hyper-V offers features such as live migration, which allows virtual machines to move between hosts without downtime, and robust security options like shielded virtual machines. Additionally, it supports nested virtualization and containerization, making it ideal for both enterprise environments and development scenarios, while providing scalability and high availability for demanding workloads. Then we have the last one, which is QEMU. QEMU is a generic and open source machine emulator and virtualizer. We have here full system emulation, user mode emulation, and virtualization also. So QEMU is an open source machine emulator and virtualizer that enables users to run multiple operating systems on a various hardware architectures. Its key benefits include flexibility as it supports a wide range of case OS types and architectures from ARM. QEMU can operate in two modes: as a full system emulator for running unmodified guest operating systems and as a lightweight virtualizer when paired with KVM kernel-based virtual machine. For improved performance, it's highly configurable and can be integrated into cloud and container environments, making it a powerful choice for developers and researchers seeking an adaptable virtualization solution. So the best one is VMware. VMware is often regarded as the best virtualization platform for enterprise environments due to its robust features include high availability, disaster recovery, and also seamless cloud integration. Its sphere management capabilities optimize resource allocation and performance under heavy workloads, while strong security measures protect sensitive data. Additionally, VMware supports hybrid cloud strategies, making it ideal for organizations seeking flexibility and innovation. Overall, its performance and comprehensive support make VMware a top choice for serious virtualization needs. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.